Over the last couple days, we've taken the boxes from over on the side scattered around our compound here, started putting them onto the racking, bolting them down so they don't blow off.
Can you see if we do or don't? I'm gonna need some. Okay. She doesn't run on love and care. Yeah, they're one's for my Dodge and one's for that Dodge that Devin's been building. Summertime's here, we gotta clean up the compound. We're putting in some new racking, so we brought the Hitachi in to level up the ground.
What's this called? The compound.
The yard?
Yeah. We're really cleaning up the yard back there and he's making good progress, but tire discounter's gonna be here in 5 minutes and we gotta unload over 100 tires. We're gonna go get him out of the machine and help us unload these tires.
Can you tell Adrian to come out?
Bob, we need your help. How many tires are we getting?
130. 130? 20, 32. You don't have the 33s with you? Tire discounter just delivered. 100, 35, 12, 5, 20. Predator XATs, 25, 33, 12, 5, 20, and more to come.
Are these all the same size?
No idea. No, they are not.
Behind me you can see that we've just set up some new racking. There's a bunch of new boxes that we've put onto the racking. We're trying to get them elevated, make some more space in our compound back here. The winter months it really adds up back here, and since the weather's nice, we've been working away at it. And all these boxes you see here, they're not for sale. They're actually for our vehicles. We've found various different contacts that take brand new boxes off of trucks that they're making flat decks, or they're doing various things with the vehicles that they no longer need the box. We purchase them from them and put them into our inventory, so when we get a truck that either needs a box side or a full box, well, we have it sitting here ready to go. Just unbolt the old one, put the new one on, and it's good to go. So just trying to clean up the compound, really. The other day we had Brandon in here with our excavator. We took out the old scrap in here. We moved some gravel around the back here and got all the racking into the shop. Got some patio stones laid out, leveled out the ground, and started at throwing up the racking first. Over the last couple days, we've taken the boxes from over on the side scattered around our compound here, started putting them onto the racking, bolting them down so they don't blow off, and it's really turning out very good and getting us more space here in the compound.
I told them all I make it happen, I'm still here, never broke the promise. I cracked the seal on the set, brought out the wheels on this bitch. Way too much to celebrate, so we got a reason to get a little lifted all the smoke that they wanted. Cause I ain't worried about shit, to keep it honest. I seen a lot for my age, did some dirt in my days. Been through the mud, but I made it out, it can't get worse, so I stay. A little lifted all the smoke that they wanted. Cause I ain't worried about shit, to keep it honest.
Jay, run. I think my plan might go worse. What do you think?
I got much to say, but here, I'll put this set.
Ready?
Yep.
So Brandon cleaned this area up for us. We put up some racks. We got some boxes from Windmill that we set up. So we're just organizing things, and I'd say it looks pretty nice.
How do you feel?
Ecstatic. Where do you want these?